Interest rates have been low for quite a while now, and it looks as if they will continue to stay low for some time to come. Today, I have with me Bruce Thompson and Tim Smith of National Bank of Commerce to talk about what these continued low mortgage rates may mean for us. And Bruce, why are the rates still low?
Well, the Fed continues to balance their decision-making primarily on the job outlook, and they still feel that we're not quite out of the woods on the job outlook yet. Once the job outlook gets stronger, then they will turn their sights to inflation, which will cause rates to rise.
Now, what specific impact does this all have for consumers?
Well, I brought Tim Smith with me here today. He's our Senior Vice President of Retail Lending to describe some of the benefits out there for consumers.
Tim.
Well, thank you. The first time homebuyers credit that was set to expire on December 1 of 2009 has actually been extended now to April 30th, so that's a big advantage. In addition, the government has also set up a new program to allow qualified existing homeowners to take advantage of a tax credit all the way through that same time frame, April 30th. And they can get up to $6,500 credit. Now, in order to do that, they will have had to occupy their home for 5 consecutive years over the last 8-year period.
So does this credit apply to all types of residents?
Yes, it does. All primary residents, single-family home, condos, townhomes, co-ops, all of them.
And of course, does this transaction need to close by April 30th of 2010?
Well, they have to have a binding contract by that date, but they can actually close, or will have to close prior to June 30th of 2010.
We all like tax breaks. Are there any strings attached?
Not really. The only string that might be attached here is that you have to occupy the home at least 3 years after the purchase in order not to have to be responsible for repayment of the tax credit.
All right.
That being said, it's really an excellent time to do a home purchase with the tax credit, the low rates, and home prices being as low as they are.
Certainly. Well, I want to thank you both for coming in today, and we appreciate the insight on the current market.
Thank you.
If you have a question for our Money Minute experts, log on to northlandsnewscenter.com and drop us an email, or send your questions to Money Minute, Northlands News Center, 246 South Lake Avenue, Duluth, 55802.